Hi, everybody. It's time you are on the Kimo team. Uh, Today, we would like to present you about telex. That is AI uh, plugin builder for uh, WordPress. And today, we could achieve the 200 the times session. Yeah.
Yes, we did it.
Hmm. And you are, I heard you was a good WordPress engineer.
Yeah, yes.
What impression do you have about the telex AI plugin builder for WordPress?
Telex, um, it can be useful if we want to create a new plugin. So
New plugin.
instead of finding another plugin, we can create our own plugin.
Okay, okay. Okay, please
Yes,
describe the details. Okay, are you ready to start?
yes.
Okay, let's begin. Go live.
Great. Okay, so very good morning, everyone. And as usual, welcome back to Yuva and Timothy's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI topics. So today, yes, I am testing something super practical for WordPress people. So the tool name it is telex by Automatic. So here the simple thing about the telex, so it describes a block or a plugin that you want to develop in English, and the telex generates it. Then you can download it as a plugin zip file, and then you can upload it to your WordPress plugin panel. So the big question here is, can we build a useful WordPress plugins, the blocks, with AI without coding? Yes, so that's what we are going to see today. And in simple words, what is the telex? Yes, so as I have explained, so basically an AI block builder for WordPress. This is specifically for WordPress because in my case, when I try to create a block, it asked me to log in to my WordPress account first. So instead of, it is generally created for WordPress only. And then instead of searching for other plugins to install in your for your WordPress website, so you can just type what you want, like create a chatbot block or FAQ block or a pricing table. And then this telex generates the block code and package it as a WordPress plugin. So the skill here is not the coding. The skill here is writing a clear prompt and improving it step by step. And then the important thing here is, okay, so as you could see here, this is the website, the Lex website, where you can create the blog. And on the top, they have this message, the important note. So the telex, it is still experimental. So we should treat it like a prototype tool and not a perfect production tool. So we can give it a try. That's one. Now it's a demonstration time. So for my current project, I'm actually working on an AI project right now. So for my project, I need an FAQ chatbot. So I would like to show you how I am going to create that chatbot, FAQ chatbot using this telex. Okay. So instead of installing a heavy FAQ plugin, I can create a simple block build exactly what I want for my customer. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is the telex dashboard, a very simple dashboard. And here they have some other projects as well. And if you have created your projects, you could see the project history here as well down here. Okay, so let me show you this. So earlier I tried this without logging in, but this one requested me to log in. So okay, let's give it a try. So we have to type what we want to build. So could you see it has integrated with the WordPress website? So we have to log into our WordPress
Mm.
account to use this telex. So now I'm logging in now. I actually created a new web account and it's setting things up for me. Okay, so once authorize it, it backs to the telex page, and now I'm going to send my prompt again. Okay, and then the telex. Okay, here as you can see, they have an enhance the prompt with AI. So I would like to give it a try, enhance with AI, and then build it. Okay, let me show you my prompt actually. So before I go for it, because it's a lengthy prompt. So this is my prompt actually. I'm asking for a full FAQ chart plugin with the UI, user interface, and the answer logic. So now it is generating the plugin for me. I'm not going to do anything, no coding, nothing. I just need to wait for this to create the files. But this actually took about 10 to 15 minutes. It has created the files, but then to open this WordPress, it must keep loading from my side. But now I have edited the video, so we could get this. Yes, so this is really amazing. Okay, so I can see here, as you can see, three options we have: editor, front end, and admin. So editor is this one. Editor, it is where I can add the questions, answers, and I also can adjust the settings here. Yes, could you see? I could adjust the settings. I could add the questions and the answers and the other settings. And this is what exactly I want, and it has created for me. So instead of, okay, so now this is the front end, and this one shows how the chatbot will look on my page. And let's give it a try. Because I haven't added any questions yet. Okay, so if I want to add, I can go there, go here to editor, and then add my questions. And then we have one more, the admin WordPress site. This will lead us to Okay, so this one, let me just hide something here. I can see. Okay, this part. Okay, so this admin actually lead us to the WordPress dashboard side where we could edit the settings. And now I could, so now my FAQ chatbot it is ready, so I can download this. So when I download, it downloads in chatbot in a zip file, and then I just download this. Then in my WordPress, I go to plugins. I have to click on add new plugins, and then I have to click on upload plugin. Then I just need to upload this zip file there. And then that's it. My project, my project will be ready to use this FAQ chatbot. Very simple. That's it. And let me show you this part. If I go to this telex website, okay, here there are multiple example projects we have. So you also can start from one here. You actually can customize it to your preference. You can download it and upload it to WordPress as a plugin. Very simple. That's how it works. And about this telex, so we have tried the telex, we have seen how it works. So now the honest part, telex, it is a great for prototype, but it may take a few attempts to get the result you want, because sometimes it generates the bugs or messy code, and sometimes it could misunderstand the UI, the user interface we requested. So we always should test it before using it on a real client site. And my recommendation, so please try to generate the first version. You try to review it on your WordPress first and then test on staging. Then only you deploy it. Okay, and I found there are actually similar tools, but not really similar to this telex. There are tools like a V0, Lovable, and Bold AI. So this one actually more to prompt from prompt to create web application or user interface tools. But telex, it is focused specifically on WordPress blocks or plugins that actually become the blocks that actually become a plugin that you can install on your website inside your WordPress ecosystem. Okay, so when we have to use this telex, when you can use, so when you need a custom block for your theme, or the builder doesn't have it, or you want something lightweight and specific, or you want for prototype fast, and I will not recommend to use this telex when you need a huge complex system, or you can solve it with a simple native block that is already existing, or you need enterprise grade reliability tools. So I think that's all about this telex that I wanted to share with you today. And Kimoto-san, what's your impression about this telex? Have you tried telex before?
No, no, no. I usually don't use WordPress, and
Oh, yeah.
I would like to ask you your impression of this service. Uh, could this service popular will be popular or not? Which is your opinion?
Uh, I think yes, Kimoto-san, but still it is in beta mode. But when I try to create the plugin for the project that I am working on, really impressive.
Mm,
It could create the plugin that I want.
mm.
So very simple and lightweight plugin.
Okay. And I have a question to you.
Mhm.
Sometimes WordPress has a major upgrade. That occasion,
Mhm.
if you build some plugin by using this service,
Uh,
that occasion, how to do it?
yeah, updates. Yes, there is a problem on this. So I think I have to recreate again.
A decorator.
Yeah, that's how it might work. So I have to recreate again,
Mm,
and then I might have to reinstall it again
mm.
in my WordPress environment.
Okay, okay. So you should save your prompt to for the next rebuild.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, okay, I got it. Thank you. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you today's presentation. And we have
Yep.
the 200 times a session, live session. It's very huge, great step for us. And the next coming 300 times sessions, we'll have a very big good improvement, and Eva has a good progress. I hope.
Yeah, hopefully. We are
Okay,
trying
okay.
our best to deliver the AI tech news
Mm.
with everyone.
Okay,
Yes, so well, that's all from our side today, and thank you for joining us. And see you again next Sunday with another interesting AI topic. Thank you. Bye bye.
okay. See you. Bye.